Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your iPhone if it's stuck on white screen. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So basically it's appear when you try to download a new software update, so you can see this type of error. Okay guys, so basically it's appear in iPhone 13 Pro Max. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. So if you have iPhone or later model, then you have to press the volume up button and quickly release this, and just simply press the volume down button and quickly release this, and you have to press the side button until the Apple logo appears. Okay guys, just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that maybe your problem will be fixed. And if the upon success there guys, then you have to connect your device with computer or Mac, and you have to recover your device by using iTunes. So you can fix this issue by following this way. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.